What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly smash that subscription button, like it and share. You can also comment. Guys, today's video I want to show you another strategy for over and under. Even if you are a beginner, this video is for you. The strategy is very simple, and let's get started. As you can see here, I have the Deriv account on this side, and on this side I have the Deriv account. This side I'm going to open digit analysis tool, and on this side we are going to load our bot and learn for that strategy. Okay, so let me start with this side. Load our bot, open the Deriv bot. Then come here, Rocco XML file. Let me use this one. I've developed this bot for over and under. We open. Okay, this is the bot that you are going to use, as you can see. Now let's open our digit analysis tool on this side, Deriv Trader. Then open here over and under. You can see here we have digit analysis tool. Like for this one, we can trade over 1 or over 2. Okay, so we are going to set our bot. Now let's set our bot. You can see 1 is below 10% and also 2 is below 10%. Let's set our bot. So our volatility is 101s. Okay, we are going to trade over, you specify here contract type. Then you come back here to, you send your stake according to your capital. Let's say we stake 50, and our target, we are targeting 300, and our stop loss, let's say 400 or 600. Then we want to use the martingale. If in case of a loss, it will martingale and recover the same amount. You use 4.5. Even if you don't have a large capital, you can use a martingale of 1. This strategy is very simple. It is very hard for you to get more than 2 losses consecutive, so you will still recover even if you don't have a martingale. Okay, so our prediction, let's say we can start with prediction 1. Okay, we trade over 1. Then this bot analyze the last 10 digits. If the last 10 digits are over 80%, the bot will trade over 1. Okay, it analyze the last 10 digits, as you can see, last 10 digits. If they are over 80%, the bot will trade over 1. Okay, so the number of ticks, you make sure purchase condition, it is over. Okay, so, and make sure the number of ticks, you use 3. Okay, so this one, you can see the market has changed. You can either change and trade over 2, but let's start with over 1 because the market auto analyze the digit percentage. You can see that's our first run. You can see the bot analyze the last 10 digits. If are over 80%, you can see now it will purchase. You can see That's another run, another win. Another win. You can see here the percentage was 90. This both auto-analyze the percentage of the last 10 digit and trade over your prediction. You can see once we get 80, here we have 80. Now it will purchase over. You can see that's another win. That's another win. So even if you don't have a large capital, you don't have to use a martingale because you will cover your stake. You can see now we got a loss here after 13 lands. Then the bot will martingale and recover the same amount. You can see the bot has recovered. So to get 2 losses consecutive with this bot is very hard. So you have to check the percentage of the digit that you want to use as your prediction. Okay, and make sure if you are using over 1 over 2, green bar should be on this side. As you can see the way this condition is. So the bot will recover. Now you can see we got a loss because of this digit 0. The percentage is very high. Okay, that's another win. You can even go for 100 runs and the number of losses will be maybe 76. That's another win. Here you can see 22 runs, 20 wins, 2 losses. Okay, so we can stop our bot. Let's stop our bot and look for another pair. Also this one we can trade over 1. Let's change our pair here. $51s. Make sure you specify here over. Prediction is 1. Okay, then you come down here, you make sure purchase condition is over and number of ticks 3. Then land your bot. You can see the bot is looking for the last 10 digits to be over 80%. Then it will purchase over 1. Those are 2 wins. That's how you can grow your small account even if you are a beginner. this strategy is very accurate. You can see the number of losses. You have 2 losses, 24 runs. Okay. We got a loss here. Now the bot will recover. You can see that's a win. Recover the same stake. That's another win. You can see the bot analyze the last 10 digits. If they are over 80%, it will purchase over your prediction. You can see we just hit our take profit, our target. Our target was 300. As you can see, we have 307. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like it and share. You can also comment, guys, and stay tuned for our next video.